Today we are going to get access this video relevant to English grammar. That topic is parts of speech and types of speech. So, parts of speech is nothing but it's a classification of words which are categorized by their roles and functions within the structure of the language. So, now we move to noun. Noun is refers to a people, places, things, ideas or the concepts. Example, Michael is a good boy and the Melbourne is the city. Here Michael and Melbourne and the city, we consider this as a noun. And we move to another topic, pronoun. It is used to refer as a noun or noun phrases. Instead of repeated uses of the same noun or noun phrases, we use pronoun. See, example, Michael is a good boy. He gets up early in the morning. Here he we consider as a pronoun. Verb, it's nothing but it shows an action or ongoing condition. It is considered as a part of a sentence. Alex is going home. He loves his daughter. Alex is going home. He loves his home. So, is going is an action performed by the Alex. So, here we consider this as an verb. So, adjective. Adjective which modifies a noun in a sentence. Alex loves his beautiful daughter. His daughters also loves their caring father. Here we consider this as an adverb, preposition. It gives context to a noun in relationship with other nouns and pronouns. I am going to France. France is in Europe. In this, to, in, we consider this as a preposition. Conjunction. Conjunction which connects noun phrases, clauses or sentences together. Okay. Example. Julie loves chocolate and chips. And she loves pasta but she hates pizza. So here but and we consider as conjunction. So we move to another topic. Interjection. It is a brief or broad pauses within a speech, usually used for expressing an emotion. So, oh, that's feel terrible. Oh, we consider this as interjection. So, these are the major parts of speech in English grammar. Thank you.